Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about spending time by yourself. So let's get started. If this topic arises in your IELTS exam, a question you could expect to be asked is, do you like spending time by yourself? You could say, yes or no, I enjoy having some alone time. Or, I find solace in spending moments on my own. Are you happy when you're alone is another question. Yes, I usually feel content with when I'm by myself. Or, indeed, being alone often brings me a sense of inner peace and contentment. What do you do when you spend time by yourself? I like reading books or listening to music. Whatever you say, you should try to make it as a genuine answer as you can. Incorporating your real experiences gives your answers more credibility, which in turn makes you sound more confident. And furthermore, gives you that higher grade of them. A more advanced answer to that question is, during my solitary moments, I often engage in activities like reading literature or enjoying music. When was the last time you spent time by yourself? Just last weekend, I spent some quiet time at home. As recent as the previous weekend, I indulged in a peaceful interval by myself at my residence. Do you want to spend more time on your own? Yes. I think having more personal time would be nice. Or absolutely. I believe that allocating additional time for self-reflection and personal pursuits would be beneficial. That's all the questions we have time for today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you more insight. Embracing solitude for personal reflection. By being yourself, you gain insight into your emotions. You are given opportunity for personal reflection as you delve into your thoughts and evaluate your own goals. This in turn enhances your self-awareness and gives you better understanding of desires and your aspirations. What you do when you're by yourself is entirely personal. You could be writing, painting, and brainstorming. Whatever you're doing, you are increasing your creativity and your productivity. By focusing on your creative pursuits, you are unlocking your hidden potential as moments of solitude as well as well-being. Nurturing mental and emotional well-being is an essential practice for mental and emotional well-being. It helps you unwind, recharge, reduce stress levels. Reading, meditating, leisurely walks, as well as has a positive impact on mental health. And solitude is also a sanctuary from technology and social stimulation. Very short reading passage for today. Next up is our range of vocabulary that I want you to take away and incorporate into your everyday language usage. Solitude, introspection, respite, hustle and bustle, enhanced self-awareness, aspirations, creative pursuits, innovators, uncharted territories, wellspring, tranquility, stimulation, sanctuary, chaos, harmonious, cultivate, meaningful connections, belonging. And lastly, our paraphrasing activities. Please have a go at putting these in your own words at home. Do you enjoy being alone? You could instead say, is solitude something you find pleasurable? How do you occupy yourself during moments of solitude? How do you engage yourself when you have time to yourself? For a statement, instead of saying, I feel rejuvenated by spending peaceful time on my own, you could say, moments of solitude invigorate me and provide a sense of renewal. Numerous individuals discover comfort in engaging in creative pursuits during solitary moments. Many find solace in expressing themselves through creative outlets. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions. But as always, you're here with Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one.